Holding hands everywhere we go, laughing together forever. Your hugs feel like home.
Lily, today feels so beautiful.
It really does. The beach looks magical.
The sunset colors are perfect.
Orange, pink, and gold everywhere.
And somehow you still shine brighter than the sunset.
James, you always say sweet things.
Because you deserve sweet words.
You make me smile so easily.
Your smile is my favorite thing in the world.
Really?
Always. But you love me anyway.
Yes, I really do.
Come closer to the water with me.
Okay. Careful, the waves are coming. The water is cold.
Your laugh is so cute.
Stop teasing me.
The ocean breeze feels nice tonight.
I feel peaceful around you.
I feel calm around you too.
Sometimes I forget about everything else when I am with you.
Me too. It feels like the whole world disappears.
Just us and the ocean.
And the most beautiful girl I have ever seen.
Mine beats fast too when you look at me like that. You make me happy every single day.
Hearing that makes me so happy. Every moment with you feels special to me too.
The sky looks so pretty now.
The stars are starting to appear.
They look beautiful above the ocean.
Nothing is more beautiful than you tonight.
You keep making me blush.
Good. I love seeing your shy smile.
You notice every little thing about me.
Of course I do. You are important to me.
You are important to me too.
Can I tell you something honest?
Always.
I think about you all the time.
Really?
Morning, afternoon, and night.
That is so romantic.
You are the reason I became romantic.
I like this version of you.
Your happiness means everything to me.
I feel so safe with you. What do you think our future looks like?
I see a lot of sunsets with you.
That sounds nice.
Long walks together. Coffee dates every weekend.
Late night talks.
Holding hands everywhere we go, laughing together forever.
I want that so much.
Me too. I never thought love could feel this peaceful.
Love feels easy when it is real. And this feels real to me.
It feels real to me too. Thank you for loving me.
Thank you for loving me too.
Before I met you, I felt lonely sometimes.
And now?
Now my heart feels full.
Mine too.
Your hugs feel like home.
Come here then.
I never want this moment to end.
Neither do I.
Tonight feels like a dream.
A beautiful dream by the sea. Promise me something.
Anything.
Stay close to me forever.
Always.
Forever?
Forever and always.
I love you, James.
I love you more than words can explain.
Say it again.
I love you, Lily.
Again.
I love you with all my heart.